This is my scrap. It's pretty thick. Like all other 3D objects, it has surface area and volume. But what if I told you what was inside the scrapbook can also be represented on the surface area? This is the holographic model of the universe. No, not like that, though that'd be pretty cool. Proof of this model is ADS-CFT correspondence. ADS, or anti-de Sitter space, has 5 dimensions. In addition to our normal 3 dimensions of space and 4th dimensional time, it has a 5th dimension, gravity. But gravity isn't a fabric like in our universe. Instead, gravity is a layer in this inwardly curved space, whose coordinates are determined by the equation shown here, where z tells you if you're closer to the middle, where the low energy systems are, or closer to the edge, where the high energy quantum systems live. Let's look at my scrapbook as an example for ADS. As we near the edge, as z approaches 0, the drawings are highly saturated and very detailed, while in the middle they're larger and less colorful. But unlike our universe, ADS is a finite space, meaning it's not expanding. So what happens once you reach the cover, or the boundary? This is where CFT, or the conformational field theory, comes in. It defines the critical point during phase changes and how strings interact in string theory. The Z in ADS represents thermal energy levels in CFT, but CFT is only in 4 dimensions. It has no gravity, and yet it represents the same information as on the ADS boundary, showing that a 4D system can be equivalent to a 5D system, thus proving the possibility of holography. Proof number 2 comes a little differently. Get sucked into a black hole. Well, where do the bits that make me up go? Well, given the entropy formula for a black hole doesn't actually mention volume, I would remain on the event horizon, meaning that a 3D volume like a black hole would actually just be represented in a 2D space. So that was the holographic model of the universe, and a tour of my scrapbook. And it's not perfect, but so far, it's the closest we've ever gotten to unifying the microscopic and the macroscopic. And it's pretty darn cool.